Pete Lauffenburger, Director of Strategic Initiative.
That's right.
I love that title because I love initiative. Taking initiative on the fire ground, taking initiative in the fire service. We need people to take initiative.
Yeah.
For you, the initiative is a new body type.
Absolutely.
What are we doing here?
Yeah, so this is one of our new bodies. I'm really excited about this one. Low hose bed, 500 gallons of water. You got ladders on beam that are enclosed. And this is a couple different versions for us. So we're gonna have 500, 750 gallons or 1,000 gallons in this body style.
What I like about it is I'm looking at it, so many apparatus today have short hose beds. We've shortened the length of the truck. This is a 32-foot engine.
Yep.
It's got an 11-foot hose bed, which for me, pulling and stretching lines off the rear, it's less folds when I go to an 11-foot bed versus, say, a 6-foot bed, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we're trying to do more of that, where we can really listen to what customers are looking for, look at the trends, try and figure out how do we bring something that is both functional and really usable for the fire department.
Yeah. All right, Pete, we talked about the Type 21 body. The pump housing, 1,500-gallon Q-Max, low crosslays.
Yeah, extra low crosslays. Like, we went through a lot of trouble to redesign plumbing, lower it down, so we get these crosslays super accessible.
Low dunnage area, so we can get up top. We got some storage up top, and of course the deck gun monitor as well.
Yep.
And then talk to me about the cab on this rig.
Yeah, so this cab's actually our LFD cab. It's a 70-inch cab, tons of space inside. A little bit on the bigger side of what we make, but one of the nicer cabs we've got.
Yeah, HME has always had this reputation for smaller cabs, right? And a lot of it has to go to the wildfire trucks, the urban interface trucks, and so on.
Yep.
But as the municipal market is just exploding for you and you're getting more trucks into cities and suburban and rural departments, you're starting to see the need to, you know, innovate.
Yeah.
And so larger chassis and larger cabs are certainly part of that.
Yeah, we've got another version, goes all the way up to a 74-inch, so our LFD XL version. But there's all kinds of room for compartmentation, EMS cabinets, seating. We've got seating for 6, so just plenty of room in there for whatever departments need.
Awesome. Well, I know the process too is super important, and working with truck committees and understanding what they need and want, and then you guys sit down with them and you hammer out that final plan. And so I have to believe, seeing everything here on this engine, you guys probably hit most of those check boxes for them.
Yeah, we really did. You know, we try to have enough options to meet all the needs and kind of walk through what the best fit is for them. And this ended up being a really great rig for those guys.
Awesome. Pete, as we walk around, what I really wanted to show off here is I want to open a compartment because I think this is important, right? Your Type 21 body with a 500-gallon tank allows for full depth compartments on both sides.
Yeah, absolutely. One of the coolest things about our design is stainless steel bolted construction gives you kind of that maximizes your width and your depth. So we're really excited about the amount of space you can get with this body.
Well, that's it, right? So it has a low hose bed in the rear, 44-inch off the tailboard, right?
Yep.
11-foot depth on the hose beds and 24-inch depth on compartments on both sides, rescue-style compartments. Yep. So it allows for not just engine company operations, but rescue company operations also.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what these guys are looking forward to. They got tons of stuff to put on this, multifunctional apparatus, serve lots of purpose, and this is a great body for that.
This Type 21 body is a newer build for you guys, correct?
It is, yeah. We got 2 or 3 different ones, so 500 gallons, 750, and 1,000 gallons. All that lower hose bed, enclosed ladders, really similar design, kind of maximizing that space and efficiency.
Yeah, I love that. This is going to an upstate New York department. They deal with a lot of terrible weather up there, the cold, just like here in Michigan, right?
Yeah, that's
cold,
right.
snow, road grit, and so on. So enclosed ladders in the rear, their hard sleeves are enclosed as well, and a lot of compartmentation for what they're doing. Rumor has it this truck will be on display at FDIC this year.
Yeah, that's right. It'll be there.
So come join HME at the show and find this engine and ask the salespeople about what's going on with the Type 21 body. Pete, thank you very much for joining me, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate you. This has been great. I love touring the facility and seeing what you guys are doing.
Yeah, thanks for being here. Really excited.
Awesome.